Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a co-host in Airbnb listing. Now first of all go to the website and make sure to log in with your account, and once you're logged in just click on switch to hosting. You will see an option. Make sure to do it from the web page as you will not be able to do it from the mobile application. So go to switch to hosting, and from here you can just go to the listings option, and once you're into the listing, so you will be seeing all the listings that you have done or that are available or currently listed as well. So just open the listing that you want to open and just scroll down listing editor. Just scroll down in this section, and once you scroll down below the location about the host, and here is an option called co-host add details. So just click on this option co-hosts, and as you can see invite a co-host, and just scroll down. Make sure to scroll down a little bit and you will see an option called get started. So once you click on get started, you can just enter the phone number of the co-host that you want to enter, or you can just enter the email address that you want to use. So let's say like this is an email address that I want to add as a co-host. Click on next, and they will ask you like what type of access do you want to give him, like full access, like calendar and messaging access, or just calendar access. So you can choose whatever access do you want to give. Click on next and review your invite and click on send. And once you click on send, your invite will be sent to that person. As you can see, your invitation has been sent. So once the invitation gets accepted by the other person, so that person will be added as your co-host into this section. So that is a simple and easy process of now how you can do it. Now as you can see, this person is listed here, and that is how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.